Hello. So my copy of the Devilman Crybaby Blu-ray complete box just arrived from Amazon Japan, and I'm going to unbox it quickly here just to show you what's inside of it. I tried to get as close as I could with the camera so that you can see what's here, not much else in the shot. So I'll just take it apart one piece by piece here. When I go to buy things like this from Amazon Japan, since I don't speak Japanese or read it, much less, it's sometimes difficult for me to find information about what I'm actually going to get. And in this case, it took me a while to actually decide to go ahead and spend the $200 on this. So this is the slip case that everything comes in. Then there's an interior, it looks like a case for the discs, which came shipped with one of the discs slid off of its holder. It looks like this is one of the things I was wondering if this was actually some kind of little booklet, but it's just a little placeholder. And there's 3 discs of video material and 2 discs of audio soundtrack material. That's the back cover of that case, front cover, and then this is really the thing that kind of clinched the purchase for me, were these 2 pretty good size art books. One just called Art Book, right? And there's the front cover and back cover of that. And it's around 100 pages. Looks like it has lots and lots of different pre-production material, some frames from the show itself, some additional materials, and then there's also this, the animation making book, which has sort of smaller reproductions and a lot of text material. So this, I believe, is a lot of interviews with production staff. And so we'll see if I can have any luck getting any translations out of this. I have had some good luck using my smartphone with the Google Translate app to do some rudimentary translations of Japanese to English, and then it looks like there's some storyboard reproductions also. So this is not obviously not the version that came with the vinyl records and the CD of rap songs, but that one was fully $100 more than this version too, so I feel pretty comfortable with having purchased this version. So I hope that video is somehow useful to you, and we'll see you again soon.